Hey guys, welcome back. It is Star Wars week and we're here with our Star Wars puppets. Kind of puppets, not really, but that's what they were called, so that's what we're calling them. So we're going to cut them out. And here I've got Boba Fett, my all-time favorite Star Wars character, so of course I had to do him. And they are made so that they will do jumping jacks if you want. Not really sure why you want them to do jumping jacks. But you will see that there is two little holes. The big one is to connect the arm, and then you can have a string going across. So when you pull the string, their arms will go up and down. I'm not doing that one, but you can if you want to. Instead, I just cut them out, and I'm going to show you two different things we're going to do with it. So first one, we're going to just attach the I'm going to use the push thing and push it through the big circles. And then you open the two metal things like that. And so now you got a movable arm. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that with all the holes. And if you want to speed it up a little bit, you can. Just going to go and punch all the holes real quick. Again, I'm just going for the big holes. They're a little bit further from the edges. Okay. So then we're going to put them together like that. So there's the leg. Get our other arm attached. Okay, and then his other leg. Boba Fett had a TV show. He was in the movies, like my other character, Obi-Wan Kenobi, were in the original Star Wars trilogy. But he had a Star Wars show on Disney Plus, which I really enjoyed. So you can check that out if you haven't watched it. There is our Boba Fett. Other character is, like I said, Obi-Wan Kenobi. And he was in the original trilogy. He was in the prequels, and then now they're making a Star Wars show for him, which will be out later this month, and maybe you'll watch that too. So this one I'm going to do differently. I'm going to just glue him down. Guess we should do the legs first. Let's see here. So I'm going to glue these onto the paper. And you can use whatever color you want in the back, and you can put things around it to make a scene or so. I'm going to glue. Just kind of different ways of doing it. You do it how you'd like to. So I've got his. Now he's made to have his arms kind of like that, but I cut out some pipe cleaner to give him a lightsaber. So we're going to switch his arms around. So that's a little, well, maybe not. Yeah, because that looks kind of funny with him holding the lightsaber that direction. So you do what you want to do. That's how these crafts always are. I show you how I do it. You can do it like I do. Or you can do it differently. Now I know he does have his lightsaber right here, but I wanted to make a lightsaber, so. So I just got some different, got a black pipe cleaner to be the base. So I'm gonna put like it's in his hand. Put some glue on the pipe cleaner. And then Obi-Wan had a blue lightsaber, so. The bad thing about that is, now he's got his other arm up in the air. I'm not sure. But I like the way it turned out, so. You can do it the way you like to do it. You can make them do jumping jacks. You can do them on a picture or just like this and hang it on your wall. Whichever way you guys want. I hope you enjoy. Thanks, guys.